Happy fall, everyone. My name is Danielle Elizabeth Stevens, and I am a multidisciplinary artist, a healing practitioner, and a social justice activist who has spent 10 years committed to social transformation and change. I currently am the founding director of This Bridge Called Our Health, which is a digital publication and community resource that is rendering trauma-informed care and healing services for marginalized communities through a social justice lens. I am excited to launch a project called Waging Love. Waging Love is a digital module and comprehensive e-course that has modules for organizations and individuals to learn strategies and tools around transformative justice, healing arts practice, and how to integrate those resources, those tools, and those strategies into their organizations. In order to learn more about this exciting new project, and if you're interested in participating, follow our social media. Our Instagram is here and our Facebook. Excited to collaborate with you all.